Well, today we're installing king piles along the Columbia River. These are large metal piles, 12 to 20 inches in diameter, 60 to 80 feet long. We're driving them into the ground and placing signs on them. The piles are being placed at the end of pile dikes, and they are to mark the pile dike as potential hazard to boaters and navigation. You will see a large crane on a floating plant lifting a pile high in the air and placing it in the ground with a vibratory hammer. Yeah, the hammer will vibrate and it'll literally shake the pile into the ground. Here the embedment will be about 25 feet into the ground. We're doing about a 100-mile stretch of river. We're coming in from just this side of Beacon Rock and we're working our way downriver. We started October 5th and we're anticipating completion with the pile driving activity mid-November. Purpose here is to install piles to mark the end of pile dikes to aid in navigation for boaters and safety.